Привет! In this video, I will go over some Russian greetings. As always, don't forget to download your own study guide, and the link for that will be in the description box. Поехали! The most common way to greet somebody is to say привет, which means hi. Привет. Similar to привет is приветик. It means hi or hiya, but it is used mostly by female individuals. Приветик.
Приветик, тетя Люба.
One more spin on привет is приветствую, which means greetings. You can say приветствую just by itself or add the second person pronoun you after it. For a formal situation, it will be приветствую вас. Informal, приветствую тебя. And if you add the pronoun I, я, in the beginning, you will have a full sentence. Я приветствую вас, formal. Я приветствую тебя, informal. The most widespread Russian formal greeting is здравствуйте, hello. Notice that the fifth letter, the consonant V, is silent when you pronounce this word. Здравствуйте. Also, I will mention real quick that the base word of this greeting is zdrav, from which all the words that have to do with health are formed. So when you say здравствуйте or здравствуй for a less formal occasion to somebody, it means you wish them health. Здрасте is a very laid-back way of saying здравствуйте. Здорово, howdy, is another variation, and it is used mostly by guys. Здорово.
Здорово, отцы!
And there are greetings for a specific time of the day. Доброе утро is good morning. Доброе утро. Добрый день means good day or good afternoon. Добрый день. And добрый вечер, good evening. Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
That's it for now. What is your favorite Russian greeting?